All right, this is Chaotic Crypto, where we defy tyranny. It is January 6th, 2025, and the markets are actually rallying. There's a possibility that the inverse head and shoulders has been negated. Um, Not even a possibility, it's actually happening as we speak. Let's look at a different time frame here. This is on the weekly. Oh, this is nice. Also, kind of did a little work, got a new mic, got a new setup. I've had this setup. I just, was being lazy basically. I work full time. I'm a musician as well, so it's just not a whole lot of time to really focus on doing these videos. But I want to try to do more of these over the next 6 months to a year. At least I would say on a weekly basis. Partially for my own sanity, to keep track of the markets and just keep myself involved. But I might as well, when I'm looking at the charts, might as well just do a little streaming. So that's kind of what this is going to be. We're going to test it out, see how it goes. I want to do my best to be consistent. If there's a week that I don't post, I'll at least do like a short or something, or post on the Chaotic Crypto YouTube. I also have a Twitter Defy Tyranny and a Instagram, but that's no one really uses that for this. But um, yeah, this will be something I'll do kind of hopefully to help the fans out. But yeah, basically this is super bullish. I'm just literally looking at these charts now. Um, but I was looking at this inverse head and shoulders a few days ago, and it was kind of worrying me. It was looking pretty rough. But it's pretty much negated, because we've come up. I mean, the only way it would kind of maybe be back into play is if we came down here and went down to 92 and broke down again, and I doubt that's going to happen. I really doubt that's going to happen. So let's look at a different chart here. This chart's not the best. This is one of my older charts. Um, Here we go. This was kind of a old flag. I was hoping to make it kind of become. Let's look at the 21. It's the 21 close. Let's look back at the 21 week again. This is TradingView that I'm using. It's um, one of the better, I think, websites you could use to like look technical analysis. There's another one on Kraken that I use a fair amount as well. Let's see if this is here. Yeah, here we go. I think that's right here. And it does have some cool indicators. Mainly the VPVR, which is this right here. It gives you the amount of crypto that was bought at that price, or trade, stocks or whatever, VPVRs for everything. But our strong support in the 3 days is 70,000. Let's look at the weekly. You 68, 70,000. When we're in a bull market, and it's like pretty much confirmed, you might want to look more like on the daily time frames, just to kind of see, say, see 72, 69, 72. But then on the short term, looking at 94 to 97. And if we break that below, then it would start looking pretty ugly. But to me, things are looking really good. I mean, the fact that the head and shoulders pattern was pretty much avoided looks really good to me. The daily does look a little exhausted. But again, this is just the daily, so it's not, with a daily will pop up and then come back down, retest support at 98, 97, and then this will be, kind of, averted. What may happen is we just go sideways for a while. That's while the altcoins start running. I'm gonna try to test this thing out. I'm sorry about that. Some SM58. That's what a lot of the big venues and rock stars used to. I think Bono swears by the SM58. I'm not saying that U2 is one you probably should follow for, I guess, microphone types. Um, let's see. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, I just saw it was 76 Extreme Greed. I really was kind of hoping that we were going to get down to 78 to 82K, and that might be something that happens more towards the end of the month. There's a lot of hype right now in the space. I'm not sure exactly why. I want to do a little bit of news analysis. Okay, Ripple Garlinghouse reveals 75% of open rolls of new U.S. base due to optimism of Trump's incoming. Yeah, good bar. Bitcoin surges. This is Crypto Panic. It's a pretty nice little site. It just gives you Solana's Pango. Yeah, that one's doing pretty good. AI predicts Filecoin price. Like Filecoin, anything that Kramer was making fun of about a year or two ago is like Filecoin, maybe Sol Eth. I think he was like really bearish on a bunch of those coins, and like dude, don't listen to Kramer at all. If you're a stock trader, you could maybe go on some of his advice. But by the time he gives a positive review on something, I mean, if something's already run, you're probably getting 5 to 10% more out of it at max. But you're probably better off doing the inverse Kramer. Just do whatever he opposite, whatever he says opposite. It's ridiculous. Not really sure why we got this pump. I mean, it's from a fundamentalist, point of view. AI 160. Yeah, AI is probably going to run pretty hard, and so is Meta. Gaming really hasn't run at all. Gaming and Meta, I think there's probably a lot of opportunity there. Coins like XRP, a lot of people are all about XRP, XLM, XDC, ISSO 022221 or whatever. I don't remember how you say it, but yeah. I mean, XRP ran really well. Let's look at the chart real quick. I'm not going to say it didn't do well and isn't going to do well. But the thing is, let's look at the weekly. Yeah, we're on a weekly chart. I mean, the thing is, it is run so hard, and I mean, yeah, I think it'll go to all-time high probably, and I think maybe 5 to 7, maybe $10. But most of your gains, I mean, you went from 40 to 50 cents to 240. I mean, like you're missed out on half your gains probably comfortably. I mean, yeah, it could go to 12, could go to 20. That's why you kind of keep a little boom bag just in case, type of thing, and maybe get out of that right before the end of the bull run, which will be confirmed by Bitcoin at some point, probably 2025, beginning of 2026, possibly even this early as this spring, depending how we really want this thing to kind of slow down. We don't want Bitcoin to be going to 120K right now. If Bitcoin went to 120K and then 170, 180K by spring, I mean, it would scare me if it went that quickly. My targets are 120 by spring, and then maybe another shot up to 170, 180 by the end of the year. Yeah, so just we gotta keep an eye on these things. Cardano, I mean, I'm a huge proponent of Cardano. I'm all about it. I'm thinking at least all-time high, but 5 to 7 to $10. Cardano. Oh yeah, I'm big proponent of Charles Hoskinson. One of the weaker performers really has been Cosmos. One coin that has been on that list. Whoopsie, where did it go? What did I do with Adam? Yeah, the one coin, Injective Protocol is running really hard, and that's out of the atomic ecosystem, which is interesting. That is interesting. Algorand also, HBAR, I believe they're kind of in the same category. They're kind of like actually in the XRP kind of category, XRP, XLM, but they haven't run yet. It's like you're better off getting into coins like this than you are with coins like XRP, right? But if you want to look at some coins that haven't really run yet, but are they're blue chips, like they're like the ones, hey, they're going to do well, right? Like Ethereum. Ethereum hasn't even really started to go. I mean, it really has not even begun. I mean, we're Bitcoin's up here. Ethereum hasn't even gotten up there. I mean, you get an easy double right now with Ethereum by spring, probably. I mean, I think it's probably gonna go to 7, 8,000, and then it's probably gonna go 10, 12 to 17,000. I have a few different projections. I mean, I think, yeah, somewhere up in here, I mean, it could certainly be where we end up, right? So just yeah, the Dixie is rallying. Are we topping out on the Dixie? Possibly. I think we probably get another pull up, but that'll probably be it for a couple of years. I mean, Trump's probably going to get the interest rates situated. He's probably going to get rid of Powell. If Powell doesn't step down, it's just going to be a really bullish environment for a year or two. unless something really crazy happens. I mean, I think just all the crazy stuff seemed to have already happened, especially in the crypto market over the last few years. I think it's time for the markets to really breathe and finally kick back and just go. I think it's time. I think it's time. Let's see what else we got. The mining stocks, haven't looked at these much. If you're a traditional trader, stocks, right? Stonks. Yeah, these haven't even really gone at all. Yeah, and honestly, like everyone's like bragging about the stock market. But the stock market has only done well if you had blue chips. I mean, if you have stuff like this or speculative blockchain assets, they've been pummeled and they haven't even started moving yet. Another one is Riot. Let's see, similar, very similar. This one would probably be like a more aggressive proxy to Mara. Mara is probably one of your better bet blockchain mining stocks. I think is Hive on here. I had Hive. I'm not so sure if it's still on here. Let me see. I think I had it. Sorry. No. QQQ. You could just look at. I mean, everyone was getting real bearish around Christmas time. I was like, when it dropped real hard, like it wasn't even that long ago. Yeah, like yeah, December 3rd. Everyone was like freaking out for some reason. This candle, you zoom out, it's like, dude, that's nothing, man, nothing. Let's see if I go to it. Yeah, Dow Jones. I mean, yeah, that was a pretty strong pullback. I mean, let's see if I can measure that. This is Dow, so I feel like it's 7%. I mean, that is a lot for stock market, but here we are. We're on the 21-week moving average. That's what you kind of want to see in a bull market. Man, unless we break down here real hard or something, no, I don't think that's gonna happen. No way. Not again. Like apart from some kind of black swan event, that's not gonna happen. So yeah, Nasdaq. That I don't know if Nasdaq actually crashed harder than that. Let's see. Yeah, 5%. That's not even nothing. It's nothing. You want to know it? Near Protocol is one of my big moves, and this one did go down hard. I mean, look at that, 40%. Now that's crypto. Crypto will get completely pummeled. Ontology, kind of curious about this one. I hold a little bit of this, and you could stake it for 17% on Exodus wallet, which Exodus actually just went public. I'm not sponsored by them or anyone. This is completely self-fueled endeavor. Let's make sure this thing is working. Okay, that'd be awful. Again, I'm still trying to get used to the setup. But let's see. Yeah, silver and gold rallied, but there's a bigger correction though with silver and gold. I think, at least with silver. Let's look at gold. I think I have GLD on here still. Like, not. I may have got rid of it. Yeah, Theta. Let's see what Theta's doing. Theta's looking strong. I'm really glad I doubled down on a lot of these. As you can see behind me, you got my buddy here, but below is a Celsius shirt. That's one expensive shirt. Let's say that much. That Celsius and Voyager, I got burned so hard with them. And like basically I resolved, I was like, basically just like I want to put my head down for a couple years, work hard, just save as much money, and put double down on crypto, triple down. I'm not even quadruple down. I'm not. I'm like a vengeance vendetta right now to try to like get back what I lost and then some. That bear market was tough. A lot tougher than people would admit. Just looking at different. Yeah, this is Apple stock, DYDX, Ethereum. Yeah. Let's go. Pepe. Yeah, Pepe is like, a lot of his gains have probably been made. There's probably gonna be one more shot up with this one. It's at the Elliott wave pattern, so like, is this the first wave or second wave? It's probably gonna be something like this. So and that's an Elliott wave pattern. Usually when they're going up in whatever trend, it goes up in fives and then it goes down in threes for corrections. So if it's something like that, and usually the top one isn't quite as pronounced. It might be something like that, but let's see. I mean, from right here, price range. All right, yeah. I mean, I could see a double from here with Pepe. Maybe it goes crazier. I mean, we're in that parabolic trend. The parabola. Where's yeah, it goes. Yeah, parabola. Anyway, let's see what else we got going on here. Synthetics. This is one of the worst ones. Kind of synthetics is pretty pathetic. Solana, other than Ethereum, I think would be another kind of a surefire bet. But you're gonna probably have better gains with Ethereum. Solana may only hit like $500 to $700 a cycle. However, there's also another possibility that it could go to like $2,000 to $3,000 to $5,000. And the reason I say that is because of this giant cup and handle. Now, depending on which version of this cup and handle you want to look at, I mean, you could look at the cup and handle like this or here. And this is why it'll be a couple different guesstimations here. Let's see. I don't know what am I doing with this? Let's get rid of that. That's stupid. Some of this stuff was from a long time ago. But yeah, this projection for a cup and handle puts you at, let's see, back here. So 378, is that correct? So I just want to make sure I had that right. Yeah, so that projection is at 393. But let us see. Let's make sure we're on the long. The other one, maybe I did this wrong. Maybe I was on the logarithmic scale. Yeah, this one's at 451. I must have been on the logarithmic scale before. That might have been what messed up. Or maybe I wasn't on the logarithmic. Anywho, Solana's gonna go up. That's all I got there. But I probably want to jump off here, honestly. I'm a little bit out of sorts, and it's actually we got a lot of snow out here, so that's pretty awesome. But yeah, like you're looking at this is the total market cap. I mean, we're absolutely in a bull market, confirmed bull market. Where we go from here? Yeah, I really do like the cup and handle projections because they're pretty conservative estimates. So I mean, if you wanted to go like here, then take it from the bear market low to there. This is very minimal, 4.2 trillion. So I mean, it's possible that we're halfway already done with the bull market. We'll probably go further than that. I'm thinking like 7 to 10 trillion. We'll see. The big thing is that we're basically in altcoin season though, and that's what's important. Where's BTCD dominance? I think I have it up here. Here we go. Yeah, so we've broken down. We're gonna start going down pretty much, and that's gonna put more money into the altcoins, and that's where the real money's gonna be at. So we're gonna jump off here. Hang in there, hodl on. We'll do another video, maybe tomorrow, maybe this evening. We'll see. There is a bit of a pullback going on right now, only because the daily is kind of fried. But don't worry about that. I think it's really positive that the inverse head and shoulders, or the head and shoulders, is kind of disconfirmed. Bitcoin to resume the bull market. So, all right, we'll check back in. Appreciate it. Peace.